folks, I've got a soprano ukulele to show you today. And I've made lots of sopranos over the years, but as I get older, I think the smaller instruments are actually harder to make. Just all the little tolerances are just tighter, and each thing that you do makes more of an impact on a smaller instrument. And I think, you know, the natural design of the tenor, just it's easy for him to sound good. But for the soprano, I wanted to have that classic punch and sparkle, but it also needs some sustain, some warmth, some depth, and it's hard to get both. So anyway, I really like this one. I've had fun playing it. It's for a repeat customer who already has a Koa soprano, so I'll be curious how he thinks these two compare. This one's made of curly myrtle, top, back, and sides. And that's how you really get the classic soprano sound too, is one type of wood for top, back, and sides. And rope binding, of course, all around. It's got a fur neck with a little walnut stripe, and then walnut for everything else here. All domestic, local woods, all to my aesthetic. I really like this instrument a lot. It's been fun to play it. It's a winner. I really like it. So yeah, number 733. This is my first October instrument. No, this is a September instrument. I'm mixed up. I'm late. Got to get these out. So yeah, September instrument. Ready for John. Cheers.